Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix vibration not working in silent mode in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, here scroll down and click on general. Then click on software update and check if your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to the latest iOS version, then first of all update it, and after updating the vibration will start working properly. But if it's not working, then open settings again and click on general. Then scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here click on reset. Then click on reset all settings, and here enter your lock screen passcode and then enter the screen time passcode. After that click on reset all settings. So it will reset all settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after resetting, restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting, the vibration in silent mode will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then open settings, scroll down and click on sounds and haptics. Then from here in system sounds and haptics section, turn on system haptics and then click on haptics. And if you have selected any option here other than always play, then select always play. Now when you select always play, the vibration in silent mode will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.